This one's really specific for Australian gardeners. See this? This is wonderful mulch. You want to take a guess how much it cost me? Nah, maybe. Yeah, some of you are right. Absolutely nothing. There's a website you can go to called MulchNet. And MulchNet, and I'll put a link down in the description down there, allows you to put your name down and say, look, I'd like some free mulch from the local tree loppers. When they're in the area, can they drop some off to me? And they do. Advantage, it's free. You can pay and you get a priority, but I put my order in probably a day, maybe 2 days before I got this. So sometimes pretty quick. The downside is you don't know how much you're going to get and you don't know what sort of quality you're going to get. Now for me, this is half of what they bought around. I couldn't take the whole lot, and they were really nice and didn't make me take the whole lot, even though they could have. What's the mulch actually like? Well, this one is from all of the street type trees that we have growing around, and the councils have them pruned every now and again. And if we look at it, it's got that wonderful peppermint smell to it, but it's actually pretty good. It's a wood chip. I think it's the Australian pepper tree or something. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's got lots of little leaves like that on it. They use them for street trees all over the place. I don't think we've got one down here. Got a box tree. Yes, we do. There's one over there. I'll show you the tree in a sec. But this looks like pretty good mulch to me. And it's only going to go on the surface, mostly in the front yard. I'll use it on the paths out in the back, and it'll really cut down the amount of weeds that we're getting, and be very handy for that sort of thing. And as it's free, it's worth a shot. MulchNet. Anyone in Australia? Free mulch, as long as you're not fussed about the quality, the quantity, because I could have got 14 cubic meters, they said was in the truck. Didn't need that. But anyway, free. So really good, and a great way of reusing stuff that quite often would just go to landfill. We look down there, the one straight down the middle, that one. And I still don't know what it's called. I'm not a tree person unless it's a fruit tree. You know, one thing I should try? If we have a look at this, most of this, nice hardwood. It's not pine. It's certainly not fumigated. Maybe I should try growing some wine-capped mushrooms in it. What do you reckon? If you think I should give that a shot, let me know in the comments and I'll do that. I've got some spare grain spawn. Maybe worth it. Anyway, you guys enjoy life. If you want free mulch, down in the description, link to it, put your name down, see what you get. Remember, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. You guys enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.